Hello everyone. If you want to know how I prepared this Zobo drink, also known as Sorrel or Hibiscus drink, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. These are the things I'll be using to prepare the Zobo drink. Over here is my hibiscus flower. As you can see, this is how it looks like. This came all the way from Nigeria. You can get it in any African shop around you, or some Arab shop do have it as well. And over here is my pineapple peel. It's still a little bit frozen. Anytime I buy pineapple, I wash it very well, peel it off, eat the pineapple fruit, and store this inside my freezer so that I'll use it to prepare my zobo. And here is my cloves, which I will also be using. This is how it looks like. And over here is what I normally use to sweeten my zobo. I don't like using sugar. If you don't have this, you can use sugar. You can use any sweetener of your choice, be it stevia or any other sweetener. But this, you can drink it as it is. And this is orange flavor. You just have to add it in 2 liters of water. The instruction is already there, and the color will be just that orange color, and it tastes exactly like Fanta or orange. They also have pineapple flavor, but I don't have that. And here is cola flavor. I will not be using this today, but I do put this in my zobo drink as well. Any flavor you want, or you can just add it in 2 liters of water and you have your cola flavor drink with you. And it's better to serve it chilled, guys. You enjoy it. If you don't know this, guys, just look for it in any African shop around you, but this was bought from Nigeria. That's what you normally use over there. I have some oranges over here, and I also have some ginger. Feel free to use more or less of oranges and ginger in your zobo, okay? Or you can even remove it if you don't want to use it at all. So I'll be washing all the washables, the zobo, the ginger, and the oranges. Then we move on to the next step. I've already washed the zobo, so I'll be adding the pineapple peel now inside the pot, and I follow it up with my cloves. Then the next thing is my oranges. I've already started peeling it, and this is how I peel it. The skin is a little bit hard because the orange had overstayed in my house. So if you want, you press out the orange juice and use only the juice, but you have to put it after you finish cooking your zobo. You can even put it anytime, but I'll be putting mine now. And over here is also my ginger, which I've already diced. I diced it small, this shape, so that the taste will enter inside the zobo. So I'll be pouring in the ginger now. I love getting a little bit of ginger taste in my zobo. If you want it more spicy, add enough ginger. Or if you don't like it spicy, you don't add at all, or you reduce the quantity you'll be adding. Now I just added my oranges, and I will top up the water. I make sure that I add enough water to cover everything inside the pot, just like so. I will give it a little stir, and I cover it and start cooking this for 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, I will come and give it a stir again to make sure that everything is really soaked with water. Then I cover it and cook for more 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes it's ready. So I just off my heater, and I will uncover it a little bit. I will leave it to cool down. I normally prepare my zobo a day before we consume it, so that it will cool down very well. So guys, I just finished removing the zobo leaf and the pineapple peel and orange peel and ginger. So I'll be topping more water to it because I'm preparing like 4 liters. You know, this my sweetener, each one is for 2 liters. Depending on how tasty you want it, you can even make it up to 5 liters. It will still come out very well. And here is my Zobo still looking very red. If you want, you can still add more water to it. But the taste, guys, this tastes more than wine. Oh. So I'll be pouring it inside my gallon, and here it is, guys. I'll be freezing it, and we enjoy this as our Christmas drink. Feel free to give this a try. And thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, remember to subscribe. Bye, and see you in my next one.